Okay, so typically after some heavy training, these are the type of stretches I'll do. So just to stay healthy, healed, and keep my muscles primed. So start by stepping forward with one foot and keep your back foot at about a 30-degree angle. And then let's raise your arms up to promote balance. Raise one arm up, step back, and switch sides, okay? Put your right foot forward, left foot back, 30-degree angle in the back, and exhale your hand down. So if you're up by your kneecap, that's fine. With continued stretching daily after every workout, you'll be able to do this. So bring your arm down by your ankle and extend your hand up before inhaling up, stepping back for a moment, get your balance. And now we're going to come back, start off in a plank, but then lunge forward and then rotate and bring the opposite hand up to the sky. And we're just going to do a few power lunges here. So alternate sides, then lunge forward with your right foot. Okay. And bring your left arm up and look up at your hand. Look up to the sky toward your hand. And we'll just keep doing these lunges with the rotation. It's so helpful for the spine, the hips, your overall mobility. This is like a full body stretch, because when you stretch, you're actually like extending the muscle and reaching up for maximum capabilities, okay? Getting that oxygen flowing throughout the body so the muscles can repair easier, okay? So let's stretch out our chest. Let's bring your arms back behind you, okay? Really focus on deep belly breathing and flatten your feet to sit on them, opening your ankles and stretching your chest, okay? Let's come on up into tabletop. And then we're going to put our hands underneath our shoulders and using the palm of your hands with your feet flattened in the back, press up and then exhale back, extending your neck, okay? And if you're not there yet, just pressing up, gently lengthening and stretching our shoulders, our upper body, our arms, our upper mid and lower back, okay? And just breathe. Looking up, getting a deep stretch in there. And now we're going to rotate our hands. This area is often forgotten, but it's important for training, especially lifting. Flip your hands back toward you and flex your feet down and gently release your body weight onto your feet, okay? Again, focusing on the breathing and the circulation of the oxygen throughout the body to help repair this system and rejuvenate this system. Just breathe. Flip your hands forward. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. And flow forward into our child's pose. Just strengthening ourselves, rejuvenating ourselves, massaging our internal organs, priming ourselves for digestion, priming ourselves for the intake of the proper nutrition, priming ourselves for the day. So I hope you enjoyed this morning's flow, and if you like more, just get the likes up on the video. Till next time, peace.